NAKIFOC shared the salient features of the Korean Credit Union regulation and the delegated supervision powers given by the regulators to NAKIFOC. NAKIFOC takes leadership to unite credit unions, bringing them together to a higher degree of integration in all aspects of operation: finance, governance, marketing, technology, products and services, human resources. Recommendations: for other Asian national federations to institutionalize internal and external monitoring and supervision in addition to development, training, and education. Request regulators to delegate limited supervisory powers to national federations in closely monitoring cooperative credit unions, and encourage credit unions, cooperatives to set aside funds for their federations in order for the latter to provide monitoring and regulatory services for cooperatives credit unions. For the next session, Tech Talk, Technology Trends in 2016 and Beyond, this was moderated by no less than the CEO of ACU, Ms. Lenny San Roque, and the two resource persons, Mr. Murray Gardiner, the Business Director of Temenos, and Mr. Kalin Radev, the CEO of Software Group. Our lives become more connected with new technology every year. In 2016, we are going to see some major shifts in technology, and we will see products designed to make our lives faster, simpler, better, just like the payment platform being introduced in Asian credit unions. The session gave opportunity to those interested to learn the details of ACU payment platform and the new innovations in technology in 2016 and beyond. In this session, questions on technology were pulled together in a panel discussion. Recommendation: for AACCU, together with members, the national federations, to commit themselves in entering into a contractual agreement on sharing scheme on the income generated from the business, and look for possibilities of linking together all credit unions and cooperatives from country to country for remittances and money transfers towards full integration. The third topic is about the big steps in shaping up an integrated credit union network. We have 5 panelists: Ms. Silvia Paraguya, the CEO of NATCO; Mr. Nguyen Tak Tham, the Deputy General Director of the Cooperative Bank of Vietnam; Mr. Shivaji Sapkota, the CEO of NEFSCON; and Mr. Ratan Costa, the GM of Cooperative Credit Union League of Bangladesh. Our moderator was Mr. Serge Gosselin, the Market Development Director of Development International Desjardins. The network must adhere to prudential and operational standards to protect the interests of the members and of the network, because the failure of one credit union affects the others. So the network must be concerned of protecting each other through a system agreed by all credit unions. The session panelists shared their experiences of challenges and achievements, success about integration. The session also seeks suggestions of BID expert on the country's best practices in moving towards an integrated network. Recommendations: sensibilize the board, officers, and staff of the cooperatives to internalize the vision of an integrated network. Make public awareness through social media. Trainers training for the champions of integration. ACU will prepare a toolkit for the CEO to equip them to take responsibility, like PowerPoint presentation on the benefits and advantages, the whys, the hows of an integrated federation. Assess the federation using TOP System 123, Part 3, submit to ACU by December. Prepare an action steps to improve the rating based on priorities, which will be shared on March 2017 meeting in Korea, workshop with regulators. All types of training should include the topic on an integrated network, and part of the access criteria is the network management. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Hernan.